Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain about how to generate e-invoice in Tally Prime. As per the GST notification, if your business turnover increased more than 5 crore, you must have to generate e-invoice for each taxable invoice from August 23, so that it is a must to convert your Tally ERP9 into Tally Prime. So you may have asked the doubt about how much it will be charges. That means to upgrade Tally ERP9 to Tally Prime. If you are having a valid license in Tally ERP9, there is no charges to go for Tally Prime. Simply you can download Tally Prime from tallysolutions.com and enable your license. If you don't have the valid license and your license has been expired in Tally ERP9, you have to pay for 4,200 something for a single user, and for multi-user you have to upgrade, renew the license for rupees 12,744. Okay. If you are having any issues to download Tally Prime and update license, you can contact us at 7904412 number. This number I will give you in the description. You can contact us. We will charge for download and activate Tally Prime. We will charge 500 rupees. For license upgradation and e-invoice setup, we will charge 1,000 rupees. Okay friends, if you have any issues, you can contact us at 7904412 125. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.